Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphazan's Tech. Today's update is one that many freshers have been waiting for because Amazon has officially opened to different hiring opportunities. One is for Software Development Engineer I, and the second is for Data Associate. Both openings are for freshers, but they target different skill sets. So watch this video until the end because I'll explain which role suits you, who can apply, the required skills, and some important points that many candidates usually miss. Let's begin with the first opening. Amazon is hiring for the position of Software Development Engineer I under Amazon University Talent Acquisition. This hiring is specifically intended for 2025 and 2026 graduates. As an SDE, you'll be working on large-scale software systems that serve millions of Amazon customers worldwide. You'll collaborate with experienced engineers, build new products, solve complex technical problems, write production-level code, and work in an agile development environment. This is a core software engineering role where you'll gain exposure to distributed systems, cloud technologies, scalable applications, and real-world software development. Now, before we continue, let me tell you the eligibility because many of you wait for this part. If you have completed or are pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher in computer science, computer engineering, or any related field, and you belong to the 2025 or 2026 graduating batch, then you are eligible to apply for this software development engineer opening. Amazon expects candidates to have a good understanding of data structures and algorithms, object-oriented programming, problem-solving, complexity analysis, and programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, or Perl. Previous internships are preferred but not mandatory, so freshers without internship experience can also apply. The work locations include Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Delhi. Now let's move to the second opportunity. Amazon is also hiring data associates for its grocery eco team based in Hyderabad. This role is completely different from software development because here you'll support Amazon's artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. Your responsibilities include collecting data, labeling images, text, audio, and videos, identifying patterns, improving data quality, participating in process improvements, maintaining confidentiality, and helping improve Amazon's AI models. If you're interested in AI operations and data analysis, this can be a great starting point. Coming to the eligibility for this role. Candidates with any bachelor's degree can apply. Amazon is looking for applicants who can communicate well in English, pay close attention to detail, and are comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. This is a work from office position based in Hyderabad, and candidates should be flexible to work across different shifts. One important thing to remember is that both these openings are currently accepting applications and Amazon reviews applications on a rolling basis. That means applications are checked continuously instead of waiting for the last date. So the earlier you apply, the better your chances. If you're preparing for product-based companies, the software development engineer role is an excellent opportunity to showcase your coding skills. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning operations, or data annotation, then the data associate role is also worth considering because it provides exposure to Amazon's AI ecosystem. Don't wait until the last minute. Prepare your updated resume, verify all your details carefully, and complete your application as soon as possible. If this update helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Alphazan's Tech, and turn on the notification bell because I post daily updates on Amazon assessment mails, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, IBM, TCS, and the latest of campus hiring opportunities. Comment applied after submitting your application, and I'll see you in the next hiring update. Thank you for watching and all the very best for your applications.